Hi guys, this is Pri. Welcome to our channel IELTS with Pri and Aman at IELTS Success Academy. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing our channel and make sure to hit the like button and also share it with your friends. So in this video, we will be doing a cue card that is amongst the May to August 2024 speaking topics. So I had scored band 9 in my speaking test and I wanted to share some secrets with all of you so that you can achieve the same band score in your exam. So let's look at the topic. Describe a plant that is grown in your country. You should say which plant it is, where it is grown or found, and explain why you think it is important. So as you all can see, there are 3 questions attached to this cue card and we need to ensure that all of these 3 questions are answered within the 2 minutes that we are given to speak. So for a question like this, you can talk about any kind of plant that is grown in your country. So I am going to tell you about India, some of the common plants that you can talk about. So you can talk about plants like tulsi, maybe basil, turmeric, or even rice or paddy plants, which are grown a lot, especially in the northern part of our nation. Alright, so now let's look at a sample answer that I have created for you all. Well, India is a diverse country and a variety of plants are grown depending upon the climate, soil type, as well as the water availability of the particular region. And today, I would like to talk about aloe vera plant that is grown widely across my nation. So as you all can see, instead of jumping directly to the first question, we have given the examiner a little bit of an introduction and also clearly communicating to the examiner what we are going to speak about today by using the phrase I would like to talk about. Alright, so let's continue. This herb has green succulent leaves with small spines along the edges and are the source of colorless gel found in a range of medicinal and commercial products. So we are just giving a description here of how the aloe vera plant looks like. So succulent means fleshy. So if you have actually seen an aloe vera plant, the leaves have gel inside that. So they are kind of fleshy and thick. Also they have small spines, that means needle-like structures at the end of the leaves. Okay. And once you cut open the leaves, you will find a gel-like substance inside it, which are used for a variety of products. They are used in skincare products, even for like shampoos and conditioners to enhance your hair growth. Alright, so let's continue. Moreover, this moisture rich plant thrives outdoors all year round in warm regions, whereas in other areas, aloe vera grows best indoors as a house plant in small clay pots or decorative pots for aesthetic purposes. So thrives means it can stay or it can live. So we used a better vocabulary word here. Aesthetic purpose means for decoration purposes to enhance the beauty of your house. So you can add all of these vocabulary words to your list as well, and next time while you're practicing speaking, you can use it in your conversation. Because using good vocabulary words enhances your band scores for your lexical resources part later on. Alright, so we have answered the first 2 questions, which is which plant it is and where it is grown or found. The third question, which is explain why you think it is important, still remains. So let's answer that. Additionally, this crop has a multitude of medicinal benefits, acts as a blood purifier, as well as it aids in better digestion because of its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So multitude means a lot of. Aids means to help. Antimicrobial means it has lot of antibacterial or antifungal properties. Okay. Besides that, it is also miraculous for the skin and hair and helps in treatment of conditions including hair fall, eczema, skin injuries due to its wound healing abilities. So miraculous means it is very good or wonderful. So we used a good vocabulary word here as well. Eczema is like a skin condition where you have a lot of dryness on the skin and you have red patches on the skin. So it is recommended by doctors that if you use aloe vera gel for skin conditions like this, it will help in curing that kind of condition or that kind of disease. So aloe vera gel is considered to be very good for the scalp and hair. It has anti-dandruff properties, and also it gives a smooth and shiny texture to your hair, and also prevents hair fall or hair loss. Also, as you all can see, we used a lot of connectors here as well, like moreover, however, although, finally, and all these will increase our band scores for the coherence and cohesion part later on as well. As for our fluency and pronunciation, which are the other two criteria on which you are marked upon, we made sure that we were not taking any kind of pauses in between, and we also made sure that our speech was clear at all times. We did not do any kind of or any kind of repetitions in between. So all these will also increase our bands for a fluency and pronunciation part. Thank you for your time, everyone. If you did like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. Till then, take care and see you soon. Bye bye.